Wouldn't you like to know how to make money using your phone? Well, let me show you how. Today, I'm going to be discussing legit ways to earn money by using your phone. I will be showing you four different ways that you can earn money. Now, the first one that we'll be discussing is an app called Achievement. If you have a Fitbit or one of these Apple Health or anything that you do on a normal basis by keeping track of your health and your walking or any type of health app, you can connect to this app and you can earn money by earning points, such as if you look at my screen, I earned some points from my heart rate, the time that I've slept, time that I walk, and as I earn points and I get up to 10,000 points, you can redeem for $10 in cash. And I normally get it through PayPal. And they have other options such as gift cards. Now, the second way of earning money are through earning receipts, submitting receipts. And actually, I have 3 different apps, which is the Fetch Rewards, Receipt Hog, and Rekuten. The first one is Fetch Rewards. And with this app, you actually have to earn 10,000 points. If you click on the light blue circle that has an E on it, you can actually click that button and it will download all of the receipts from your email as well as Amazon, and it will provide you with points. Another way is clicking on the camera button and you can take a picture of your receipt and earn money that way. Here's the options for rewards that you can earn. Actually, they have up to 3,000 points for starters, but it's not much. And up to $5,000 where you can get like Amazon discount $3, $5, AMC theaters. And this is the 10,000 points that you can use to earn extra cash. The next app will be Receipt Hog. So with Receipt Hog, if you go, you're submitting your receipt. And here's the receipts that I've submitted. And I actually took a break from submitting receipts because I've been forgetting. But this is the last time I've actually remembered to take a picture of my receipt. And you actually have 14 days from the date that you went shopping to earn points. If you go to rewards, you'll be able to see what you can redeem. You can either get Amazon, Visa, or PayPal. And as you can see, my last redemption was $40 PayPal. And that was like 2018 because I haven't been using my app at all. But I'm going to start back. Here, up under PayPal, if you have 1,000 coins, you can actually get $5. And that's where I had received the $40 off because I received 6,500 coins. And the same thing with Visa and Amazon. Now the third app that I will be showing you is Rekuten. With Rekuten, you actually have to order online to use your cash back. But if you have like your credit card tied up into Rekuten, you can actually submit a claim by putting your credit card to Rekuten. And as you can see at the very top, I have $23.40 cash back, and they'll be paying me out that much if that I earned. So if you see at the top, I have $23.40 cash back. So you can earn that way. In the description, I will also leave a link for you to use when you sign up so that you can also earn $10. Using these four apps, you will actually be submitting the same receipts across 3 different apps. And the achievement is just an extra app where you're just tying in a Fitbit or some type of health application and earning points that way. But those are simple ways that you can actually earn money through your phone. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you find that this video is useful for you to earn some extra cash. It may not make you rich, but it's a way to earn just a little bit of extra money in your wallet. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.